Okay. So let's zoom this in a little bit. What they want you to do is draw these two segments. So this is A. So I don't go right or left. No right or left. Up 8. A. Right 9. Let me move this over a little bit. Right 9. Up 2. B. And it says it's line segment AB. We'll draw a line. Okay. C is 1, 3. And D is 9, 15. So this is C, and this is D. And then we draw a line segment CD. Okay. They want you to find the length of the segment. So AB. If we're finding the length of AB, I want you to look here. And when you look at AB, I could make a triangle. Oops. Sorry. And if you look how many the distance is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I can do the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I'm going to go 6 squared plus 9 squared equals c squared. 6 squared is 36. 9 squared is 81. 36 plus 81 is 117. Square root of 117. So AB equals 117. Okay? Now I'm going to come over here and write a little bit smaller, and I'm going to now do CD. Okay? So if I'm doing CD, I'll do that in blue. That means I'm going CD. So I need to figure out how many across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So that's 8. Am I off? Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So that means this is going to be 8 squared plus 12 squared. Okay? And I'm going to do that by going 64 plus 144 is 208. Square root of 208, that is the measure of CD. So what we did is we found the length of them, and it's that, and it's that. We found this CD. We found this AB. Okay? Now what they want you to do is write an equation. That's y equals mx plus b. So remember, this is when I need to find my slope. Okay? So I need to remember what slope is. Slope is either up and right or down and right. Okay? So when I'm doing this problem, I'll first do AB. So to find the slope, I go down 6, right 9. And when I do that, I divide by 3, negative 2/3. That's my M, that's my pink. Then I need to go back and look at one of the points. Here's A, and here's B. So I'm going to go y equals mx plus b. I can pick this one or this one. I'll pick this one because it's easier. That's my x, that's my y. So 8 equals negative 2/3 times 0 plus b. Anything times 0 is 0. B equals 8. Boom. I've got my pink. I've got my blue. Y equals negative 2/3 x plus 8. That's AB. Okay. Now I'm going to find CD. Remember, to find the slope, I can either go up and right or down and right. Okay. So I'm actually going to do a little bit backwards, and I'm going to go down and left. I guess I could just go like this. Up. That would be, I'll do it in blue, sorry. Up 12. And right 8. So this means I'm going up 12, right 8, divide by 4, negative 3 halves. That's my m. Oops, positive, just kidding, sorry. Positive 3 halves. Okay, I'm going to white out that negative there. Okay. Now I play the same game I did over here. Y equals mx plus b. Since I'm dealing with c and d, I go c and d. But I'm going to pick c because it's a lot smaller, x, y. So I go y equals 3 halves times x, this is an annoying one, plus b. 3 halves times 1 is 3 halves, plus b. And I'm going to go on my calculator because this one's annoying. Minus 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2. So in my calculator, I'm going to go 3 minus parentheses 3 divided by 2. Okay, enter, and I get 1.5. So b equals 1.5. I have my m, I have my b, now I write my equation. So for CD, my equation is y equals 3 over 2x plus 1.5. Okay, so I just got both my equations, AB, CD. I want you to notice the difference. This is length, and this is equation. Okay, let's do the next one. What is the relationship between them? So let's look at their slopes. So here for AB, lift this up, your slope is negative 2 over 3. And here, the slope for CD is 3 over 2. I don't know if you guys remember doing this, but they are perpendicular to each other. Remember what perpendicular means. It means you take this number, do the opposite, and then flip it. Boom. That's perpendicular. Okay? And there's the perpendicular right there. Okay? So now what they want you to do is find the point of intersection, but they want you to use algebra, where we can cheat, and we know the answer is 3, 6. So we know by cheating the answer is 3, 6. But I'm going to use the equal values method, where I take this and I set it equal to this. This looks like a pain. Positive 3 halves x plus 1.5. Okay. Stay, move, move. Okay. I'm going to use my calculator for this one. I'm going to put this in parentheses. So I'm going to go negative 2/3. Make that bigger there. Negative 2 divided by 3 plus negative 3 divided by 2. And I get negative 2.16. X equals, and then I'm going to go 1.5 minus 8. And that covers that. I get negative 6.5 divided by negative 2.16. And I know what the answer is going to be because I cheated. X equals 3. Now I can take the 3, plug it back in. I'm going to do that. Negative 2 over 3 times 3 plus 8. Sorry, I'll lift that up. By negative 2 plus 8 is 6. Y equals 6. 3, 6. That was a good one. This is a good workout. Okay? Now I want to talk to you about what your homework is. Your homework is going to be to do this, do this, do this, and do this. What you're going to do is you're going to go into Google Classroom. So you're going to go here to Google Classroom. And if you look right here, you're going to go like this, open it up, and you're going to take that and copy it. So you're going to write all of this right here. And then you're going to do all of that. Then you're going to write all of that in there. If you look here, this matches, let me lower that, this. Oops, not that one. This one right here. So you're going to fill it in, fill it in. And then you go to the next one and you're going to fill it in, fill it in. You've got to do it for all four. This will be due on Thursday.